Welcome to day 27 of the 28-day project. Today we're going to be working on a limited palette of 3 colors. We're going to be using 2 of the Horror Dome Naturals from Schmincke in the water set. So the Celadon and the Indigo are from that set, and then we're going to use the Umber. The other color in this set is a Vine Black, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use or not. But at the moment, no. We're going to leave it out. See if we can make something without black today. Okay. So I put down some pencil marks here and then also some white crayon or wax crayon or Watercolor ones to give us a little bit of a resist. I'm going to put down some paint. And we'll see if we can make these work. Now, I've been struggling a little bit with these paints because they are the naturals. They have no oxgall in them, so they're a little finicky, to say the least. Like, I've not used them a lot because I just can't. I'm not having a good luck trying to figure them out. So today is the day that we do that. We've got some nice colors going on here. Let's get out our knife and bring in some of these shapes through here. So like I said, I've been trying to get these to work, and I haven't, well, I'll be honest, I haven't tried that hard. I tried a couple of times and then went, and kind of went, I'm good. Because they're a little frustrating. Like, I'm not saying it's not that I hate them. I think the colors are really beautiful. I just feel that, like, right there, I used up that whole little bit for that whole block of paint for just that one little sky. They're very thin. I don't think they're very pigmented either. I know it sounds like I'm bagging on them. I'm really not. I just kind of want to figure out how to make them work. Okay, so this is the Celadon. This color is really beautiful. And it mixes well with that indigo that we have going on there. But you can see, I don't know if you can see, they remind me, it's like you're painting with jelly. Like, I don't understand, like, why they're, I don't understand. Can you see how they're just sort of moving around, and it's like they're unstable almost. I don't know. But we're going to try it. We're going to try to make it work. I mean, I like what we've got going on here so far. Let's try mixing. I haven't tried mixing up colors with them yet. So let's mix some of that. Okay, that umber is very... Maybe it's a good thing that I'm going to use up all the color in one painting. The umber is very overpowering, that color. Let's see if we can get at least some of it in there. Ooh, that's a nice color. I don't hate that. But I don't know if you can tell on the video just how slick they feel. But enough of that. We'll figure it out. Or we won't. Let's put a little bit more of that umber in there. Okay, I'm going to let this dry, and then we'll come back and add some more paint. Okay, before I dry that, I did come back in and try with the color shaper through here. I'm getting almost like some aqua pastel lines going through here. So that's kind of neat. Okay, I've mixed up a little bit of the Celadon with the blue, the indigo, to kind of give us a different color. I think I figured out what it feels like. It's almost like, it's like the same texture as when you're painting with aquapasto. Like it really does have that same feel. And now that I know I can make marks with my catalyst wet, or my, shaper tool, that kind of changes how I can react to what's going on. Because now it makes sense to me. Now it makes a little bit more sense. What if we added a little bit of that umber color to that mix? Well, that's a pretty color. I don't hate that. Where's my... Let's try this tool. This is a catalyst, Princeton catalyst. I think they call this the blade. Because it's got, there's like 4 of them. But I like using them for, obviously, making marks. Let's see if we can carve back in just a little bit into here. Well, that's making some pretty interesting marks. I'm just going to pick up more of that paint. Kind of just see what we can do with 3 colors. Okay, let's let that dry. Okay, let's come in with a little bit more of our umber color just right through here. I just want a thin line. And maybe we need to bring some of that color down through here, though. Ooh, that's fun. Wedge tools for the win. Ooh, let's add some more of that. Maybe we need some more of that. Ooh, that's a little wet. Okay. I like how subtle that is. I think all I want to do now is, I might want to put some more of that blue through there. What's our time looking like? And then I want to add some specks. Am I going to mess this up if I do this? I'm being very timid. I kind of like what I got going on here. But that's always the trap, right? Like, I don't want to mess it up. Well, that might happen. Okay, I didn't mess it up. Ooh. Yeah, I think for me, I think the key to these natural Schmincke is using some sort of rubber color shaper. And I'm not adding any water to this, guys. I'm just sort of using it as it is. Because when I add water to it, I mean, it's nice, but it gets so slimy. It gets ridiculous. Okay, let's add some marks. Okay, so I've got the green moss tinted charcoal. Oh, let me clean this off. I still got some purple on here. Which, there's going to be a little purple because I didn't clean my thing off. That's okay. I don't mind that. It'll just have a little bit of purple. So much for our 3 colors, right? So I kind of just want to do it through here. I kind of wanted another spot, but I don't know where. Maybe just a little bit through here. I got 2 colors out. Oh, that's time. And we're out of time. Oh, well, we're not really out of time. We're never out of time, really. Let me spritz. I'm going to bring some more of this down through here. Kind of connect them there. That's not a bad shape. I don't mind that. Probably need to spritz again. Let me get a sheet of paper this time. Okay. Let's come in with our palette knife. You can see where I had that purple in the strainer. Oops. Oopsie. And that was Lyra that I had in there. So it really spread around a lot. I'm going to try to make some dainty marks through here. We're going to call that purple an accent color. How about that? Not that anybody cares. I'm sure nobody cares that that happened. I really did paint with 3. Technically, that's not really painting there, right? It's just splattering. It's not really painting. Okay. Ooh, I kind of like those scratchy marks. That shouldn't be still wet. It's all right. Okay, I'm glad I played with these today because I kind of discovered something here that's really been bugging me. Okay, I'm going to dry this real quick. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is add a couple of black marks. You didn't think we were going to go with that, did you? I think I just want a few through here. I'm not even sure how many I want. I don't know that it needs a lot, guys. I'm thinking... The thing is, once I start making lines, I have a hard time stopping. But I'm going to stop there, I think. Maybe. I think I want... What happens if we put... We like those marks. Okay. Let's look at it with the mat. Let's turn it this way. It's less ugly that way. Okay. You know what? I really like it. Like, I really like those colors. I mean, once I figured out how to use them, like without water, they're a totally different, you can see like the texture that we're getting in there. Like, it's really almost like there was aquapasto added into the paint. And I know that there's not, but just the lines that we can make are really interesting. So now I kind of like the paint. Now that I figured out how to use it, like, The colors have always been beautiful. Like, I think you can get some really nice mixes. Now, the umber color was not part of that trios, but I didn't think I could make a painting with blue, green, and black because I wouldn't like it. So we needed some of that umber in there to kind of balance it out. The purple was a nice surprise. It actually added a pop of color in there that was actually quite nice. I like the lines. Yeah, I think we'll do this again tomorrow. I have what, 4 more colors in that set to look at. So maybe we can do like a, let's see, we've got, where is it? I've got this earth set. So maybe we'll do like the indigo. This is called what? Yellow ochre. And then we have a rose, and then this violet, which is really pretty, but it's very similar to the green. So maybe we do like these two and the indigo tomorrow, possibly. We'll leave out this color because this is the color we used yesterday. But now that I know how I can use them, I think we might be onto something fun. Okay. That's all I got for today. I'll be back tomorrow for the final day of the 28-day project. So tune in to see what we're going to do with these last bit of color that we have to use. Thanks so much. Bye.